Hi, and welcome to Kiddos Koral. I'm Heidi, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for homemade shepherd's pie. So we're going to start out with about 5 or 6 large peeled and cubed potatoes, which I have added to my water and I have salted it, and we're going to bring that up to a boil until the potatoes become tender. Now I am browning about 2 pounds of ground beef, and to this I'm going to add 1 chopped large onion. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon or so of parsley. You never can go wrong with parsley, and as well as some garlic powder. You can also use fresh garlic if you like, but I didn't have any on hand, so I used the garlic powder. And I'm simply going to brown this all together. Now I'm going to add in about a cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now I've got a measuring cup, and I'm going to put about a cup of water, and I'm going to add this brown gravy mixture to it. There it is. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour until that is well dissolved. That's what's going to make this gravy. We're going to pour that right into the meat mixture and bring the temperature up on that hamburger and then lower it, and it'll thicken. Now I'm going to add in a bag of frozen sweet peas. I usually use the frozen peas and carrots, however the grocery store was out. Now my potatoes have about 5 more minutes. Now it's time to drain those. And you want to drain your potatoes thoroughly and get all the moisture out really well. To the potatoes, I'm going to mash in about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a stick of butter, and a little bit of evaporated milk. Now I've placed my meat mixture in a 9x13 pan. And I've simply just topped it with my mashed potatoes and sprinkled a bit of parsley on the top. Now you're going to place this into the oven, 350 degrees, until it's nice and bubbly around the edges. And there it is when it comes out. And excuse the lighting, but oh, this smells so good. And this is such comfort food. And I hope you all enjoyed this video and that you all will try to make this recipe as well. My entire family loves this. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications of the new videos. Thanks so much for watching.